Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Inosuke from Demon Slayer and Dress to Impress. Credits to my friend who helped me with this. Credits to Hamamo. She helped me with the base of the outfit. I just did the eyes and stuff, but yeah, thanks to her. So we are going to start by removing just the outfit, because if I do the adjustments all over again, I'm going to lose my mind actually. Oh no, I just removed one. Okay, it's fine. So go to the men's hair section and grab this hair. The coloring isn't the best. It's kind of off, but just do the colors that you think meshes well with the fit. I just think this color meshes well with the outfit. So I used the hex code 47383A for this hair. Position it at y.38, z.17, rotate the x at 0.01, y at 0.60, z.38, and scale it all the way to 0.17. Then I use this hair, which is this one, colored it the same, position the y at 0.45, the z at 0.51, rotate the x-axis to 0.25, and scale it all the way to 0.70. Then I also use this hair in that same color, position the y at 0.48 and then the z at 0.55. And then I think that's all for the hair right now. Then we're just going to go here. We're going to grab this one and color it that color. Position the x at 0.5, y at 0.27, z 0.42. Rotate the x at 0.25. Scale it to 0.34. Then I used these ears. In position y 0.56, z 0.5, rotate it the same and scale it to 0.78. I also want to remind one thing for this hair, I use the third toggle. Then for the eye mask, use this one, color it 859696. For this one, position the y at 0.43 and the z at 0.05, scale it all the way to 0.12. Okay, there's a lot I used. Then use these bows. This one. And this color, it's darker, 1411010. Position the y at 0.37, the z at 0.4. Rotate the x at 0.42 and scale it 0.44. Then you're going to get these thick hoop earrings over here. Color it 56747. Position the y at 0.76, z at 0.24. Scale it all the way to 0.47. Use the pearl earrings next. And 293D5E, position the y at 0.69, z at 0.22, and scale it to 0.4. Now for this hat, use this one and just color it the same. You can't do any adjustments to that anyways. Then grab the flower crown, color it the same as the sleeping mask. Position the x at 0.52, y at 0.40, and z 0.02, and scale it all the way to 0. Then for the nostrils, get the sunnies, the white one, color it 473A3A and black. Position the x at 0.5, y at 0.4, and z all the way to 0. Rotate the x to 0.83 and scale it to 0.006. Then for this, you'll need the Style Showdown crown, and I colored it 584847, and just the same color in matte. Position the y at 0.42, the z 0.14, rotate the x to 0.34, and scale it all the way down to 0.09. Then for the teeth part, I'll add the tusk later. Colored it all white. Position the y at 0.44, z 0.03, and scale it to 0. Then for a little bit of glow, I just colored this in a neon blue. So color it this blue here in neon. Position the y at 0.37, z 0.10, rotate the x to 0.97 and scale it to 0.24. Then I'm going to grab the horn here, color it white. I'm just going to scale it first. I don't know what adjustments I use. I basically just put it here and made it a little bit smaller. Maybe like this much. Okay. Position the Y at 0.34, the Z 0.20, rotate it at 0.22 and scale it all the way to 0.42. Then for the fit, I basically just use these jeans in black. And then this in only legs in black and brown. Wait, did I do black or gray? I don't remember. I felt like I did gray. Okay, do gray instead. And then gray and brown. And then I use the brat item, this one, the skirt one here, in this color, and then this brown color, and then this color again. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!